How to add coin in Tonkeeper Wallet. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add another kind of coin or token in Tonkeeper Wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So when I open the Tonkeeper app, as you can see that the available coins are only the Ton coin and USDT. So there are no other options right here that allow me to add a different kind of coin. But what you can do is just go to browser right here at the very right, and then from here what you want to do is just to scroll down until you see exchanges. And then from here what you can do is to just choose what exchanging app you want to use. So for example, I'll just use Let's Exchange right here. So I'll just click on that and then this browser will pop up. So from here I can use a different kind of coin that I can use to swap, buy, or sell crypto. So for example, I'll just change this USDT to, let's say, Bitcoin. So I'll just click on the arrow right here, and then as you can see from here, there are a lot of options on what kind of crypto I can use. So for example, I'll just click on Bitcoin, and then there you go. So as you can see, I have now changed the coin or token in the Tonkeeper wallet. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to add a coin or a different kind of token in Tonkeeper wallet.